let it go. Won't make too much really.
This can take ages. Do you think it'll get any bigger than that?
I hope so.
Bigger before, wasn't it? Oh god, that's massive. Almost as big as the length of the bar. How do you know? Can you feel it stretching?
Yeah.
Oh god, this has gone on for nearly 5 minutes.
How big it is.
I don't belong to both ends of the bar.
You should go and get Mrs. G.
She'd kill me. Like, what do you think you're doing? Do you think, like, when we let go, it'll do what it did before? Or will it just go... This Just don't go on the whole screen now. Shall we stop?
No.
You just want to explode, don't you? Oh my god! On here it doesn't look as big, but... No, it looks long, but not as... Oh my god, don't even do that! No! My arm's aching. Shall we just stop? This is 7 minutes now. I think people will get bored of watching.
People want to see subscribe.
So lucky you got drenched. That'd be hilarious.
Oh, it
Could you imagine putting someone's head in that? Oh my god, look at it. It's massive.
Oh, I hurt my fingers.
Shall we stop?
No.